are going to do a walkthrough of a 2017 Biesse Viet Opera Model 5-3.3 CKF 53-inch wide belt sander with a 7.87-inch thickness capacity and 3,277 run or conveyor hours. We are going to start this machine in setup mode. That's going to allow us to open those front doors up while it is running, and it is going to turn on the upper lights as well. The first head is a variable speed, 0.2 to 16 meters per second, segmented Platens 6-inch wide cross belt with a chevron belt, powered by an 18.5 kilowatt motor that also has air wands. The second head is a variable speed, 3 to 13 meters per second, segmented Platen 6-inch helical grooved combination head, powered by a 22 kilowatt motor that also has air wands. This head has a 6-inch helical groove drum with a platen between it and an idler. The third head is a variable speed 2.8 to 12.5 meter per second, segmented platen head with a chevron belt powered by a 15 kilowatt motor with air wands as well. This last head is a platen only head, meaning that it is a belt with a chevron belt running between two idlers. On the rear of this machine, you are going to see several modules containing other options as well. The fourth head is a Scotch-Brite head powered by a 1.1 kilowatt motor, after which you will find an anti-static bar and air blowers. Viet is extremely generous with its capacities, giving you, again, a 200 millimeter thickness capacity. We're going to jump right inside this machine real fast. And you have to remember that all three of the abrasive heads are multi-speed and segmented as well. There's a look at that cross belt, followed by that combination head. Again, followed by a segmented platen. And at the end of this machine, you do have that Scotch-Brite, followed by that anti-static bar and the air wands at the end of the machine. Viet's touchscreen is very intuitive and responsive. You can choose heights from 3 to 200 millimeters. Speeds on that cross belt from 0.2 to 16 meters per second. The second head has 3 to 13 meters per second for speeds. That third head is going to have 2.8 to 12.5 meters per second. You do have feed speeds of 4 to 18 meters a minute on that feed mat. Of course, you could turn your Scotch-Brite and your air wands on and off. You also have air wands underneath the conveyor as well. You do have a vacuum bed that is powered by a 4.6 kilowatt blower, and it is controlled here. It's located underneath the sander to save space. And to the lower right are the controls for your anti-static bar. And finally, we're going to take a look at the hour meter. This machine is currently showing 3,277 conveyor hours, which indicates run time.